forecast tracker, and we've got this big area of high pressure all across the southeast, and that is a big player in our weather this week. That's why we'll have such warm conditions. High pressure gives us sinking air, and even as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, still this area of high pressure hanging around. Now, this is a mid-level high pressure system, so we will see slight chances of rain, but the widespread coverage of storms that we had the last couple of weeks, that is not expected for the next few days. So some hazy, lazy summer days in store. Little rain through Friday, but then we'll see that high pressure system breaking down for the weekend, and that will allow better rain chances as we head into the weekend. Spotters reporting high temperatures in the 90s today. I'll show you that in just a moment. We want to get to our forecast for tomorrow first. 78 at 9 a.m., mostly sunny skies, and then partly cloudy as we head into the afternoon, with a high of 94, and that'll be a couple of degrees warmer than what we were today. 93 by 6 p.m. tomorrow evening with partly cloudy skies, and again a stray thunderstorm possible. Here's a couple of our spotter reports from today. Rick in Grovetown reporting 93 degrees, 94 from Ben down in Wren, so a hot day across the CSRA, but certainly could have been worse than that this time of year. Right now we have not cooled off much, only 91 degrees in Augusta right now, so we've come down 1 degree from our high earlier. 91 in Barnwell, 89 in Thompson, and 92 degrees in Sylvania. Now you factor in the humidity, and of course it feels a little warmer than that out there. That's because we have dew points in the 60s and even the 70s. Thompson reporting a dew point of 75 right now. And you'll notice the Georgia side of the river generally a little bit more humid than the South Carolina side of the river, and that's where we saw most of the thunderstorms that we've seen today. Another factor in that is we have a little dry air aloft here on our water vapor imagery over South Carolina, but notice over Georgia we've got those greens and whites, and that indicates more moist atmosphere, and that is exactly where we've been seeing some of those storms forming. 93 right now at Danielfield, lots of sunshine. It feels like 95, so a little bit of a heat index out there. And we've got an area of high pressure to the west of us, and also an area of high pressure to the east of us, and where these two collide, that's where we've got a little bit of uplift to get those storms going, but we're not expecting much in the way of stormy weather for us for the rest of the evening. Can't rule out a stray shower, but that's just about it. So dry tonight all the way into tomorrow morning. A few clouds when you wake up, but mostly sunny skies expected. Then we could see an isolated storm or two popping up tomorrow afternoon as a weak disturbance heads our way, but it's so weak, not expecting a whole lot of activity. And we'll dry out as we head into Wednesday morning, and looking like a nice start to Wednesday, but it will be a hot afternoon. So lows tonight in the 60s and 70s, then highs tomorrow in the mid-90s for many locations. Maybe a stray thunderstorm, about a 20% chance, and your 7-day forecast shows mid-90s Wednesday and Thursday, all the way into Friday and Saturday as well. Better rain chances page toward the weekend, unfortunately, but by that time we'll probably be crispy and dry and be wishing for some rain.
To cool us off.
That's right.
All right, thanks, Rich.